Okay, got another nonprofit website, a women's shelter. Initially, when you log onto the website, it tells you can click this button, leave site, to get off the site right away. I guess if abusive partner, were to walk in the room or something like that. That stays on the screen at all times. The donate button stays on the screen at all times, no matter how far you scroll. Tells you what it is. It gives you the chance to call now. That's perfect. Tells you a little more about the place. Everything is in sections. I don't think I would. This is not to criticize any nonprofit site. I'm just saying what would work better in my opinion. I would not put a T-shirt sale right here so close to the top of the page. What I would put is this video, who we are. It says take a few minutes to watch our film about who we are and what the Haven does to help those in desperate need. One problem with this little clip right here, it's not obvious that you can hit the play button because it's blended in with the white text on Haven. I missed it to start with. I did know to click on it, but you don't ever want to assume somebody looking at your website knows what you want them to do, especially anything that's unclear. And this is unclear because it's hidden. And now you say, well, any idiot ought to know to click on the button to play the video or click on the screen just to see. But even if I click, around, you may not immediately notice that it's a YouTube video. The better way would be to show a red button here or move the text up a little bit. So overall, good website. This is in Valdosta, Georgia. Got another call button down here below. So you got a shop button and 2 call buttons. I would keep this call button maybe on screen as well, if you could, with the scrolling. So overall, no big problems with that website, but I would move the T-shirt sale down, and a little bit of a design problem right here. It shows the white square crossing over. I'm not a design expert, or I'm definitely not a graphic designer, but I would clean that up a little bit. But these people are doing great work. Just some tips if anybody's running a nonprofit website.